guys, welcome to Altcoin Ignition. My name is Mark, and in this video I'm going to have a bit of a look at the current situation with Bitcoin. We're going to have a look over previous dips and see how they compare and see if we can use that to predict where the bottom might be found right now. So if you like the sound of that, stick around. But first, all I ask in exchange for the content, guys, is please like the video and subscribe to the channel with notifications on. So with that out of the way, let's have a look at the situation with Bitcoin. I'm on the 1 hour chart here, and you can see I've drawn in a bear flag here, pretty obvious bear flag. Okay, it's broken down from the top, and we're now getting a bit of a retest here. The target for this bear flag, okay, it's just a measured move of the flagpole, starting from the beginning of this move right here, okay? And the target would be all the way down here, 43,061. Of course, if we were to take a trade, and I've drawn this in here, I haven't decided whether or not I'm taking it, definitely not advising other people to take a trade here. The target you'd want to take your money, your profits before we reach the maximum target. Other traders will be taking profits down here, they'll be putting upwards pressure on the price, and you want to be out before that happens. So just a little tip there. Now, next thing I want to do is jump over to the daily chart. I want to have a look at a couple of dips from 2017 that look a little bit similar to the one we're experiencing now. So just jump over there now. Okay, so here we are in the first big dip of 2017. The bottom was found on 16th of June. So you can go back and have a look at this on your chart. We've got almost a 40% dip here. Okay, we were trading below the point of control on the volume profile. All right, now that's sort of significant because the volume profile tells you where most of the coins have been traded, right? So that sort of represents where people think fair value is. So if we're below the point of control, then the market is sort of saying, well, hey, most people are willing to exchange their coins up here. So there's less likely to be people willing to exchange them down here. Sure, there'll be more buyers, but the balance won't be there. There won't be the sellers that there would be up here, right? And that kind of makes sense. So the further you get from the point of control, the more likely you are to bounce back towards it, right? And the volume profile has what's called a value area, which is the area that's darker, and this lighter area down here is outside that. And you can see that we bounced right at the edge of the value area in that dip. This was the bottom of the dip. We then went up from there. And we'll just go to the next dip from the same year. Okay, this is in September, and this is another dip of about 40% below the point of control, and also the bottom was found very close to the edge of the value area. And I've just marked out another chart for what's happening today. So sorry, I've got a few more scribbles on here, but it's kind of a similar thing, right? So we've got a value area up here. Okay, we've got the point of control that we're trading below, and the bear flag target actually lines up perfectly with this support area. Okay, we've had one touch on here before. If I was to zoom out, you'd see that we'd had previous touches at the bottom of it back there. Okay, and we're heading down towards the edge of the value area. So also you need to consider that the volume profile or order flow is a tool used by institutional traders a lot. So is it as simple as institutional traders are just trading to the edge of the value area and then back towards the point of control? I'm not sure, but it's certainly interesting to take a look at it. And that's the video I got for you guys today. I'll see you in the next one.